Early morning, 58. No, not 58. 55. Goods train service before coupling up to passenger. Get a bit more juice. Now, just before full. That's all. Our 58 we tried on this, but it couldn't get anywhere. It just kept slipping its wheels. He's now sitting in the siding over there, just not sulking, he's just staying there until the train is ready to go. Killer points. Here's our Delta coming through. With a truck, coal wagon. God, the smell right now is good. Those with steel balls, I think, are in there. Texaco oil, Shell oil, Unigrate. It's an Eisen Unigrate, and a couple of vans. Which are the two vans. The one's a tonic water. You'll see it come through this little gap in a second next to the coaling plant. The power station's not too far from here where it's going. And 1 second, guys. Here it goes again. God, these Luma engines can do slow speed performance tests any day. Yes, it can't do giant dead zones. Yeah, Ashley even struggles with them, the shunter. So we can't blame it, really. Our 58 can't do it. Our Britannias can just about do it if I double head them. But our 060s can do it pretty good. Right, I'll give it a bit more power. Just to get over the dead zone. It goes even slower speed. It's actually shaking because it's going so slow. The motor's vibrating it. Right now it's going over the level crossing. Oh, come on! Move it! Oh, I suppose it's a lovely day, and I suppose it's not too bad. So, you know, BR blue engine. Intercity blue, I should say. Because it is an intercity livery. Only I think this is BR blue as well. So you know what? I think intercity is British Railways. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this little short. I'll go on the Saturday shorts. This is only a special. We may do a 125 run-in day. But thanks for watching. And stay awesome.